hopefully it doesn't come back on. Hopefully I don't have a wiring issue. Nobody wants a wiring issue. Hey guys. So the truck has exactly 2,512 miles on it. And I've got a load on. I'm in the pit. And just outside of here, as I was pulling in, I look down and I see that my check engine light is on. And it definitely wasn't on when I was on the freeway. So it came on sometime between the time I got off the freeway and got to the pit. So about 1.5 miles, 2 miles. So right now I'm heading in here to dump out, and then I'm either going to be going back to the shop to scan it, or I'm going to be going to Kenworth. And if I'm going to Kenworth, let's be ready for a wild ride, because Kenworth up here is not my favorite place to go.
Dumping on that brown pile over there.
Off to my right.
Or you can go here too. Yeah, like turn to your left and then straight back.
Like short dump, or you want me to go all the way back to that other pile?
Right where the left, right where, yeah, straight back. Get that baby shit looking one.
I have a 4-month-old that doesn't look like that.
Yeah, as soon as you sent that description out, Dickie, I started laughing. I don't really know what baby shit looks like. I never had one.
Oh, I've had 3, and it doesn't look like that.
Boy, I never find out. Surprised you didn't offer to send one over to him so you could play with it for a while. I got 2 next door though. One just turned 4. Man, yeah, that's enough therapy for me. I ain't going down that road.
Okay, I will do that. Do you, I'll just show up, and then we'll see what happens. Okay. Yep. I will do exactly that, so. But, okay. Hey, bye. Okay guys, so I just dumped out. Just got a call back, and they said because it's under warranty, I'm gonna run it by Kenworth, and we will see if they can scan my truck real quick and go from there.
What's going on?
Oh, just check engine light came on randomly.
Randomly? They always come on for a reason.
Yeah, but that's why you're here to tell me why. And I don't know. Like, to me, it was random.
Right?
It was fine. Everything was fine.
I hear this has only got like 1,000 miles on it too.
It's 2,500.
Oh, no, fuck. See, we're well out of the warranty then. It happened this morning.
Just happened 45 minutes an hour ago. I was heading into Reese and I just went dumped out and came straight here. I'm not messing around. I picked this truck up from the dealer. I traded in my old truck. I picked this up from the dealer, drove it home, and left it in the shop. The only people who touched it has been our mechanic who put it in the shop and put the logos on it, and nobody else has touched it. This is my baby.
Yeah.
I'm not messing around. It's a code that pops up when you disconnect the computer and the transmission from the computer in the truck, I guess. And he cleared it and he said it should be fine, but if it comes on again, that means there's a wiring issue. So he said that usually the code only comes on when you have to disconnect the computer and the transmission from the computer in the truck during like a maintenance type situation. Hopefully it doesn't come back on. Hopefully I don't have a wiring issue. Nobody wants a wiring issue.